To create a lead tracker in Obsidian, open your Vault and right-click inside the File Explorer sidebar to create 3 new folders, naming them New Leads, Follow-ups, and Converted Leads. That's the entire structural foundation of your system. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. These 3 folders represent the core stages of your sales pipeline: new prospects entering your system, leads requiring active follow-up communication, and finally those that have successfully converted into paying customers. The beauty of this setup is that it uses nothing more than Obsidian's native file management, so there's no need for plugins or complex configurations. Begin inside your New Leads folder by creating a note called Lead Database. This note will serve as your central intake hub for every new prospect that enters your business. Add a simple structure using markdown headers, a level 1 header for the title, then sections for new leads, lead information, lead notes, and next action. Under lead information, list fields such as name, company, email, phone, source, date added, and status. This gives you a consistent format for recording every lead's basic details. The key here is to keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate the fields, because you can always add more later. A common mistake is making the structure too rigid up front, which discourages consistent use. Next, navigate out of the New Leads folder and create your second folder, Follow-ups. Inside that, create a note called Follow-up Tracker. Structure it similarly with sections for pending follow-ups, follow-up details, and communication notes. Under follow-up details, include fields for lead name, last contact, next contact, action required, and status. This note becomes your active task list for leads that need attention. The real power here is that you're separating active work from the general lead database, so you can focus on what needs to happen next without being distracted by the entire list of prospects. Now create the third folder, Converted Leads, and inside it a note called Client Records. Structure this note with sections for converted clients, client information, client history, and notes. Under client information, include fields for name, company, email, service purchased, and conversion date. This acts as your permanent record of successful conversions and the beginning of your customer relationship documentation. The next step is where Obsidian transforms this from a simple list into a connected system. Open your lead database note and add a wiki-style link to your follow-up tracker note using double square brackets. Then inside your follow-up tracker, add a link to client records. You've now created a visual pipeline within your notes. When you click the link in lead database, it jumps you to follow-up tracker and from there to client records. This mirrors the actual journey of a lead through your sales process. One tip here, if you ever rename any of these notes, Obsidian automatically updates the links, so you don't have to worry about broken connections. To add status tracking, decide on a simple set of stages that define your sales process. A common workflow might be new lead, then contacted, then follow-up required, then qualified, and finally converted. Update the status field in your lead information section as the lead progresses. This lets you quickly scan your database to see where every prospect is at a glance. Consistency is crucial here. Use the exact same stage names for every lead so your system remains searchable and scannable. For better organization, add properties to your lead notes. Properties in Obsidian are key value pairs at the top of a note, enclosed between triple dashes. Add properties like status, source, priority, date added, last contact, and next follow-up. For example, a property block might read status, tokens, contacted, source, website, priority, high. Properties make your notes filterable and searchable through Obsidian's search and graph view, which becomes invaluable as your lead list grows beyond a few dozen entries. You can also layer in tags for quick categorization. Add tags like #lead, #prospect, #follow-up, #qualified, or #customer directly in your notes. Tags allow you to instantly find all leads with a specific tag using Obsidian Search or the tag pane. This is particularly useful for running reports, such as finding all high-priority leads that need follow-up today. To make this system a daily habit, create a simple workflow. Each day, open your lead database note and add any new prospects that came in, complete with their source and contact details. Then move to your follow-up tracker and review any pending actions. After each interaction, update the last contact and next contact fields immediately. Waiting even a few hours can lead to forgotten details. When a lead converts, move their entry to client records and record the service purchased and conversion date. This daily loop keeps your pipeline accurate and actionable. A few deeper tips to get the most out of your system. First, always record the next action for every active lead. If a lead doesn't have a clear next step, it's easy for them to fall through the cracks. Second, use consistent naming conventions for your leads. Full name or company name works well, but pick one and stick with it so search works reliably. Third, consider creating templates for your lead notes to save time. Obsidian supports templates natively if you set up a templates folder, allowing you to insert a pre-structured lead entry with one click. Avoid the common pitfall of letting your lead tracker become a dumping ground. Every few weeks, review your new leads folder and either move inactive prospects to a separate archive or mark them as cold. An overstuffed tracker loses its usefulness because it's hard to see which leads truly need attention. Also, remember that your lead tracker is only as good as your discipline in updating it. A simple system that you use consistently every day will outperform a complex one that you avoid. You now have a complete lead tracker in Obsidian that organizes potential customers from first contact through conversion, all within a single connected workspace. The benefit is that this information can link directly to your other business notes, client profiles, meeting notes, and project plans, creating a seamless record of your entire customer journey. Start by setting up your 3 folders and 3 notes today, and you'll see the difference in how clearly you can manage your sales opportunities. If you need to revisit any part of this process, save this video or come back to it whenever you need to rebuild or refine your system.